Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to send an email alert when you change the owner of a lead in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful for keeping your team informed whenever lead ownership changes, ensuring smooth handoffs and better communication across your sales process. Before we dive into creating the flow, there's an important prerequisite you need to handle first. Make sure you've already created both the email template and the email alert notification in Salesforce. These components need to be set up beforehand because we'll be referencing them in the flow we're about to build. Now let's get started with creating the record-triggered flow. First, head over to Setup in your Salesforce account. In the Quick Find box at the top, type in Flows and select Flows from the results. Once you're on the Flows page, click the New Flow button to begin creating your automation. On the next screen, you'll see several flow types to choose from. For our purpose, select Record-Triggered Flow and then click Create. This type of flow is perfect because it automatically runs whenever a specific record change occurs, which is exactly what we need for detecting lead owner changes. Now we need to configure the trigger settings. In the trigger section, select A record is updated as your trigger option. This tells Salesforce to watch for any updates to lead records. Next, you'll need to set up the entry conditions. Set the conditions to all conditions are met to ensure the flow only runs when our specific criteria is satisfied. Here's where we get specific about what triggers the flow. Set the field to owner ID, then set the operator to is changed and set the value to true. This configuration means the flow will only trigger when the owner ID field on a lead record actually changes, not just when any field gets updated. This keeps your flow efficient and targeted. With the trigger configured, it's time to add the email alert action. Click the plus sign that appears after the start element in your flow canvas, and from the options that appear, select Action. This is where we'll connect the email alert we created earlier. In the search bar, type in Lead Owner Change Alert. This should match the exact name of the email alert notification you created in the prerequisites. Once you find it, select it. You'll need to give this action a label, so type Send Owner Notification in the label field. This helps you identify what this action does if you need to edit the flow later. Now you need to specify which lead record should trigger the email. Choose the triggering lead, then select Lead ID. This ensures the email alert references the correct lead record that just had its owner changed. We're almost done. Click the Save button to preserve your work. In the dialog that appears, set the label to Lead Owner Email Alert Flow. This gives your flow a clear, descriptive name that explains its purpose. Click Save again to confirm. Finally, and this is crucial, click Activate. Your flow won't run until you activate it, so don't skip this step. Once activated, whenever a lead owner changes in your Salesforce org, the new owner will automatically receive an email notification. And that's it. You've successfully automated email notifications for lead owner changes in Salesforce. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.